In this video, I'll be showing you how to use these three active ingredients for a wonderful black soap. The benefits of these ingredients are so much for the skin. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button and a special shout out to returning subscribers. So first of all, we'll be looking at the benefits of carrot, lemon, and turmeric to the skin, anti-aging properties, skin repair, protection from harmful radiation, acne treatment, and a lot more. So here, I grated the carrot. I didn't want to blend because that would require me adding water. And then addition of water affects the shelf life of the soap. So I don't want my soap to get bad on time, and that's why I grated. So if you can blend without water, that's also fine. This is the popular Ghana Black Soap. I love to work with it because of the texture. Let's go straight into mixing. And here I would advise you always wear a hand glove. So I thought to add, if you want to put water in your mixture, remember to add preservative. Alright, so we'll go straight to the mixing. I didn't have a glove at the moment, so I used the nylon to cover my hand. Let's just while we mix. I'm dark skinned, so some areas like armpits are dark. This mixture helps with lightening my armpits. I also use this mixture, I also use this soap with my household. So I noticed that it is beautiful on light skinned, it adds to the glow. If you want your soap to brighten you more, you can add more grated carrots to your soap. This will help to bring out the glow that you're looking for. Like I said, I'm dark skinned, so 4 pieces of carrots were grated to add to this soap. Another thing I noticed is that if you bathe with hard water, or you notice that after bathing you feel the hardness of water on your skin, this soap will help take care of it. The lemon in the soap leaves your skin squeaky clean, so you don't have to bother about the hardness of water and all of it. This black soap, I think I bought it for 8,000 naira. So at the end of this video, if you calculate everything, you see that you're spending not much. You're not spending much for this mixture. I promise to give you a secret at the end of this video, how well this mixture works for me. It works like magic. So in this mixing, gradually it's coming to the texture that I want, without water, without applying heat, just massaging, mixing the soap will give you what you're looking for. So we'll keep mixing and mixing until we get the consistency that we are looking for. I used one big black soap, and it usually lasts more than a month. If you're using the soap alone, I'm sure you use it up to 2 months. If you're sharing with someone, maybe a month and few weeks. But I tell you, if you're a student looking for how to cut down costs and still look good, still have a very bright skin, this is the best mix for you. Instead of trying out different bleaching creams that will be harmful to your skin, we mix until we have our consistency. So I'll be adding some other additives to this soap. I'd like you to stay tuned so that you don't miss out anything in this mixture. Here my nylon tore, so I had to remove it totally so that I could mix properly. Just mixing gently, no pressure, gently so that it can be incorporated into the soap.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves. Character. So then, why? It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves. Character. So then, why?
So this right here is strawberry essence. This is the sweet smelling oil I'll be using lastly. I love this because it makes me smell like smoothie. You sure love to bathe every moment you come in contact with this soup. So now we are done. This is the consistency I've been looking for. Some people like their soaps watery, like pap consistency. Now the secret to using this black soap is that after mixing it, let it sit for 1 week. 1 week so that all the oils will interact with each other and you will see results in a week's time. At most, in a week's time, you will see the results on your skin. For the dark armpits, I used to apply it overnight. Try it and let me see how best it worked for you. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button